See, by the end of this video, you will know the exact way to trade on JustMarkets platform using your mobile phone, step by step. Like how to avoid the mistake that wipe beginners accounts. You won't be like most people that lose their money on JustMarkets because they don't understand some few things I'm about to share with you. Make sure you stick to the end of this video, and how to do all your trading activities on one platform instead of depositing and withdrawing on only on JustMarkets platform and be trading on MetaTrader 5. You can do literally everything on one platform. So make sure you download JustMarkets broker on your phone. If you don't have accounts yet on JustMarkets broker, use the link in the pinned comment or description, because I will show you some features that only make sense when you sign up with the link. Let's continue. First of all, why JustMarkets? Why JustMarkets? We all know JustMarkets is one of the fastest growing broker because they have instant deposits and withdraw, and this is what matters in trading. They have low spread. Major peers work perfectly on mobile. Like, guys, their UI UX, the design of this app is very easy to navigate. Even a layman can understand their platform, and it also supports MetaTrader 5, MetaTrader 4, you understand, and their customer support is good. So now let's go straight to the type of account type available on JustMarkets. So when you click on this plus, now let's click on real account. Okay, let's click on this plus, create real account. As you guys can see a standard account which is suitable for beginners. Are you with me? If you're a beginner on any broker and you have low deposits, or you're a beginner, full-time beginner, I advise you should open a cent account or a standard account. You can see it's the most popular. For if you know what you're doing in the financial market, you can use pro account, raw spread account, or zero spread account. And guys, I would advise you should use MetaTrader 5 because it is better for beginner. Like, it's more easier to use than MetaTrader 4. Fine, MetaTrader 4 is still okay, but you don't need to understand it is older version. So again, the link to sign up to JustMarkets broker, like, use the partner link, is in the description and pin comment if you don't have account, because you will be getting a lot with the link. You have access to bi-weekly, monthly JustMarkets giveaway. That is only if you use the link, and many more benefits. So let's continue on. So how to place trade. For you to place trade, you guys should be seeing the screen. Now, once you should glue to your screen, get your book and pen to annotate things down. You click on trade. When you come to trade, remember this account is on the demo account. I'm not using my real account. And you can see on this demo account, we have a opening account of $1,000. This is a demo account. This is not a real account. This is what we use to practice. First of all, learn before you start trading live. So when you want to trade, first of all, I just want to teach you guys on how to navigate this platform, how to place your trade, how to close your trade, how to withdraw and everything real quick, how to make money on their platform. So if you want to trade any pair, this is where you select the pair, this place where you see SAUSD, and you can see I've favorited some pairs that I do trade mostly. But if you want to get the most popular traded pairs, you just click on popular. You see gold, BTC USD, Ethereum USD, Sliver versus US dollar, Euro USD, and so on. So we are going to be using gold as a case study for today. Are you getting it? So for you to, like, this platform is literally the way MetaTrader 5 is, and it's more advanced and more easier to use. So for you to change your time frame, you can put it on 1 minute time frame, 15 minutes, but I'm leaving. So this is where you change your time frame. You can put it on 1 minute time frame. So now, if you need like trend line to draw support, your resistance, like, try all the tools that is available on Trading View and MetaTrader 5. JustMarkets is giving you access for free. Like, if you want to go long, which like buying, you want to go long on what is it called, good, you just set your take profit and everything instead of subscribing for Trading View monthly plan. Like, JustMarkets is giving you these features for free. You guys can see what make JustMarkets unique from others broker. So now let's move to the next thing. So for you to place your trade, you know, in the market we can only do two things. We can only buy or sell. If you want to buy, you click here. If you want to sell, you click here. First of all, this is the price of gold, the current price of gold. Like, the price of the market is not fixed, it's not constant. Like, it moves, it change every seconds. You can see the price of the market. So when you analyze gold, for instance, let's say you want to go long or you want to buy on gold, so you just have to change your lot size. And for you to change your lot size, immediately you click on buy. Remember, it's not going to place a trade immediately. It will ask you for your lot size that you want to use. Are you getting it? So to me, lot size is what you risk on a trade. Are you getting it? So for instance, if you are using $50 account, I would advise you should use the lowest lot size, which is 0.01. Let's confirm it here. So when you go to the pair specification, you will see the minimum lot size to is 0.01. Why the maximum that JustMarket offers is 100 lot size. These are the big banks, the big guys that are trading like $100,000 that use this kind of lot size. But we that are still a retail trader or are still a small trader, you can use this lot size tips management, guys. I'm going to give you access for free, or you can take a screenshot. So it's like AP if you want to go low risks, mid risks, or high risks. Remember, let me explain something real quick. They are the lot size, they are the profit you make. The higher the loss you make if the trading not go well, and the lower the loss side, the lower the profit you make, and the lower the loss you make if the trading not go well too. So it's now left for you to decide if you want to be using mid risk. But this is a proper risk management loss size that can allow you guys to use. Since we're using a $1,000 account, let's use a low risk. So we're going to use 0.20 lots for this trade. So when we click on buy, because we want to buy, we're going to either use the plus to add, or we just write 0.20. So when we click on 0.20, we're buying now, like market execution. If you want to like set a pending order, this is where you set your buying price, take profit, and yourself. But since we are buying now, we'll just click on buy. Automatically we've placed trade on XAU USD, which is known as gold. So you can see your opening trade here. When you come to the home or account side, you can see we're in profit of $12 instantly. When I lost before, we're already in profit. So when you come to your trade, you can see your profit, you can see your loss. This is where we bought from. Yeah, let me take this how I say this is where we bought from. And always remember to add your SL and take profit. Please, it's mandatory, guys. It's mandatory, because now we've looked at how to buy and how to sell lot size tips. SL is mandatory. SL means stop loss. So it means when I've made loss to this extent, take me out in this trade. If for example you have $1,000, let's imagine this is a real account. I won't want to risk the $1,000. I might want to risk like $100. So I will set my SL to be $100. If I've made $100 loss and the trade is not going profit, take me out in this trade automatically. That is the work of SL. Why? TP, which is take profit, means if I've made profit to this extent, take me out in profit so I won't lose the profit. Are you getting me, guys? So it is mandatory to use SL and take profit while trading. Because if you don't use stop loss, you are gambling, not trading. Are you with me? Now my profit of $60, $54 right now, as you can see. So let's say we want to close this trade, for instance, we'll just click on close. Confirm. Guys, we've earned $39. Not now. We've earned $39. You can see it in your closed order. You can see. So we can see open more trade. If you have a pending order, this is where you see. That's where you set a buy limit or a sell limit. This is where you see it. So we've earned $39. Guys, trading is easy, but you don't need to know when to buy and when to sell. And I'm still going to guide you guys on how to get premium quality signals for free. I'm not paying a dime. This channel was created to help everyone. I'm not perfect. You're getting it. So let's still open a trade. I still want to let's still open a trade. Let's still go buy. Let's use same lot size. Let's still open a trade. So to add your SL and take profit after you place your trade, you can add it before, you can add it later. But also you've opened your trade and you want to go out, this is where you can modify your SL and take profit. Any signal provider, or if you are the one that is analyzing the market, you should have your TP. You just paste it here and take profit and you modify. It's as simple as that. Are you getting it? Guys, please, if you have any question, do ask on the comment section. Let's go to the common mistakes beginners make. Overtrading. Guys, see, overtrading is not good in trading. Always know when to exit the market, when to stay in the market. You need to control your psychology and emotion. When you make $100, fine, people are making $100,000, $10,000. See, your $100 should be like a goal to you. Try to know when to stay off from the market. Don't revenge in the market. That is number one. So number two is no stop loss. Like that's why I said earlier, always enter your SL and take profit to be on the safer side, because there's any glitch might happen. You might have low battery, something might just come up. So when you secure your trade with your SL and take profit, you'll be on the safer side. Third one is using big lot size. If you're a beginner, always learn to use low risk lot size. That's why I say you guys to take screenshots of this low risk lot size as a beginner. But as time goes on, when you're improving, you can start increasing your lot size, but not too big. Are you getting it? Another common mistake traders make is trading news without experience. See, guys, don't trade news like CPI news, FOMO news, NFP, all those news. Don't trade all those news because you are a beginner. Stay off the market that period. Another mistake beginner make is not always withdrawing but depositing. Like this is one of the craziest things. When you make $50, try to appreciate it. When you make $10, try to appreciate, withdraw it. Like you need to buy something, get something for yourself. Like it's like show that you are winning, you are learning, you are improving. Are you getting it, guys? So always learn to withdraw. So avoid this 5 and you are already ahead of 75% of traders. It's as simple as that. If you are serious about trading on JustMarket, see guys, go and use the link in the pinned comment section and description of this video. You don't pay extra, but you will only get access to proper setup guidance, and JustMarket treats referred account more better in terms of tracking and support and bonuses. Are you getting it? So that's why I was able to get this partner links for you guys. I don't know how long this partner link will stay active. So if you are watching this video right now, go and use it to create your account right now. Because you stay to the end of this video, I'm giving you one bonuses. Remember when I started this video earlier, I said for you to be making money consistently on trading, you need a signal provider, or you need to learn how to trade and analyze yourself, like do technical analysis yourself. So I created a Telegram community, which is going to be in the description of this video and pin comment section. When the Telegram channel members grow to 500 members, I'm going to be sharing my analysis, giving you asset take profit, like premium signal up to 85% win rate. I'm not perfect, but it's something you can try out with demo account first before you start executing with trade account. I get in, but I'm going to start giving signal when we hit 500 members. Like, we are all going to be making money literally together. I get in it. So this channel was created to help everyone grow together. So let's do a quick recap. We've go through the account type, how to deposit smart, risk management, how to trade easily on JustMarkets. Like, this is all you need to start trading on JustMarkets broker right now. Guys, don't give up in trading. Don't give up in trading. We are all going to succeed. And if you have questions, make sure you ask in the comment section. If this video helped or saved you from blowing your account, like this video, like this video, subscribe, join the family, and ask your question. And see, guys, I will reply all questions. If you want to trade on JustMarkets the right way, link is in the pinned comment section and description again. Subscribe, because I'll be dropping helpful videos related to trading, breakdown, not motivation. So guys, see you in our next video. Make sure you stay safe. And before you stay safe, you can see a profit of $30. So let's close this profits. Now we are already at $1,067 made today. How is this a real account? It's something we can replace, withdraw. So trading is as easy as ABC. So this is where you check your upcoming events, when to stay off the market. If it's like, I'll teach you guys more video on how to know when to avoid the market, when not to trade, when high impact news is about to happen. Trade, this is where you place your trade and see everything. Then here is the market, like you add your favorite PS, and this is where you switch from real account to demo account. It's archived. So guys, see you in the next video. Bye for now.